Surviving in the wild isn't about having every gadget in the book, it's about understanding the basics and making the most out of what you've got. Think of survival as a balance between preparation and resourcefulness. Today, we'll break down what makes a solid survival kit and how each part is essential to keeping you safe in any environment. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, practical plan for building your own survival kit and using it effectively when it matters most. Let's dive into the essentials. Think of a survival kit like a toolbox for your most basic needs: shelter, warmth, food, water, and signaling. Each item in your kit should help you fulfill at least one of these needs. When you're out in the wild, shelter and warmth are your top priorities. Hypothermia can set in fast, even in relatively mild weather. Start with a compact emergency shelter or bivy bag. These are lightweight, packable, and can keep you warm if temperatures drop. Pair that with a high-quality, waterproof fire starter, matches, a lighter, or a fire steel. A few waterproof tinder sources, like cotton balls soaked in petroleum jelly, can make fire starting much easier, especially in damp conditions. Water is non-negotiable. You need to stay hydrated to keep your body functioning, but don't just pack water. Instead, pack a water filtration device or purification tablets. These tools allow you to safely drink from streams, rivers, or ponds if you run out of your supply. A metal container is also a great addition since it lets you boil water in a pinch, purifying it naturally if you're out of other options. In a short-term survival scenario, energy bars or dried fruit are excellent choices because they're lightweight, high-calorie, and don't need cooking. Pack enough to sustain you for a day or two, but keep it compact. For longer outings, learn some foraging basics specific to your area, such as identifying edible plants or insects. Always remember, never eat anything unless you're 100% certain it's safe. Getting lost is a huge risk in the wilderness, so always bring a physical map and compass. Electronics like GPS devices are helpful, but they rely on batteries, so a map and compass serve as a reliable backup. Pack a signaling mirror and a whistle as well. These can make all the difference when rescuers are nearby. 3 sharp whistle blasts or mirror flashes signal distress and can help search teams pinpoint your location fast. Finally, a solid multi-tool or survival knife is incredibly versatile. It'll help with everything from preparing kindling for a fire to making repairs to your gear. Keep it sharp and rust-free, and it'll be one of the most valuable items in your kit. To recap, a good survival kit is about essentials: shelter, warmth, clean water, compact food, navigation tools, and a reliable knife. Each of these tools helps you tackle the basic needs you'll face out there, so focus on packing smart and light. Ready to build your kit? Start small, choose quality items you know how to use, and test your gear before you hit the trail. Being prepared and practicing these basics could make all the difference in an emergency. Subscribe for more survival tips, and remember, your best tool out there is always knowledge.